Hello, good night. My name is Jessica, and today I'm come to talk to you about the beautiful little town of Santander, Barichara. Cute town. Where is located? Belongs to the department of Santander, Colombia, located 3 hours by car from the city of Bucaramanga. How do you get? You must leave by bus from Bucaramanga to San Gil. The ticket starts at 23,000 and the trip lasts around 2.5 hours. In San Gil, you must take a bus to Barichara. In the terminal from a value of 6,500 and the journey is 25 minutes. Where can I stay? There in this town there are hotels with beautiful old architecture. What to do in Barichara? Visit the different architectural works. Also walk through is beautiful. Complete streets and sometimes very special in this department is visit the Thames. Visit the viewpoint of Barichara. Huge. Enjoy a magnificent view over the Suarez River Canyon. Cute. This is a total relaxing place and highly recommend to visit. You can just sit there and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Visit Salf is one of the most important and beautiful natural viewpoints in the country, Salto del Mico. This is the ideal place to live an adventure and unique experience. Typical food, pepitoria, peeled corn arepa, the mute of corn, cup or presewet, chicha, sabajón, guarapo, alcohol. Thank you. Good night.